Hey y'all, welcome to my video. So today I decided to do a spring and Easter cloche collab with these beautiful ladies right here. Happiness Created, that is Tami, and this is her channel. You guys will have to go to YouTube and check her out. And you'll also have to check out the playlist today, you guys. This is Glitzy Stitches Home DIY. Her name is Shawnie, and you'll also have to go check out her channel, you guys. She is a great crafter as well. So for today in my video, I'm going to do a spring cloche first. And I just got some items from the Dollar Tree. All of this is from the Dollar Tree except for the Dow end cap and the black cardstock, which they may even have cardstock paper there, but I haven't seen a lot at mine, not black anyways. But that's what that is. And the black cardstock, I ordered from Amazon a ginormous pack probably 5 years ago, and I probably have a lot of it left. So first, what I did was paint this little terracotta pot with some white chalk paint. And then I'm going to glue some Jenga blocks, or from Dollar Tree, they're called tumbling tower blocks. We'll just glue those down in there. And then I take this vinyl from the Dollar Tree and glue it down. Or I'm sorry, I didn't glue that down, but I'm gluing it down to the Jenga blocks. And then I took these cute little flower pots from the Dollar Tree. They come in a 3-pack. And then I took a piece from inside one of the succulents from Dollar Tree and put it inside here. And then I'm going to take that candlestick and I'm going to glue the dowel cap. That dowel cap I got from Hobby Lobby in their wood section. And I noticed I didn't get that where I needed to get it. So I ended up having to put some more glue on there as well. And then I'm just going to pop this right on top, you guys. And this is my first little cloche here. My DIY cloche, I should say. I decided I wanted to go ahead and glue the bottom down as well so it didn't like flop around. All right, I'll show you more of that in the final reveal. So DIY number 2 is also a spring cloche. So I got that. All the stuff is from the Dollar Tree in this one except for that white little chip there. That's a chalk chip. And I got that from Chalk Couture probably 2 years ago, and I just have a bunch of them laying around, so I'm going to use them. You could probably use a white, maybe like a piece of paper and put it over the little black part, but I just wanted white there instead of the black. And then I decided I was going to add a little bit of Spanish moss around these. And you guys, I'm using those little flower plots again from the Dollar Tree. I'm using just pieces of succulents from the Dollar Tree that I had cut up and trimmed down from some of them. Now see, this looks more better to me, I guess. I don't know. I just was afraid to try to start hot gluing on that plastic a whole bunch, because I'm also going to be putting some of the green moss down as well on top of that chip. So that just made me a little nervous, I guess. So you could probably leave this out if it worked fine for you. But that's all I'm doing for this DIY, and I'll show you more of it at the final reveal as well. But today I'd like to talk to you about this collab that I'm doing. So the 2 ladies that I showed you at the beginning has a collab this month to do some DIY cloches, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I've actually never made a cloche before or decorated one, so this was a challenge that I was definitely up for. So thanks for having me on this playlist today. I appreciate both of you. So thanks for having me. And my subscribers, thank you for watching, and I hope you also enjoy the playlist. I will have that link down in my description box. I also put it down in my comments just for those who have no idea what a description box even is. So you guys, we just add on a little bit of that buffalo gingham ribbon. I made a tiny little bow as well just to add to the front of that candlestick. And that's pretty much it for this DIY, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my video so far. I do have 5 of these all together today for you to watch. I also made like, I don't even remember, 5 more bee-themed ones, so I will have a second video out soon. So my third DIY is going to be an Easter cloche this time instead of a spring one. So you guys, I just took some of my husband's coffee because I don't drink coffee anymore. My husband does though. I'm a real big tea drinker. I could have used tea too, but he had some coffee, lots of coffee, so I'm just going to use it instead of my tea. I do that twice. I brewed it up twice and poured it in there. And then I just added some crumbles as well. And this is it drying, okay? I don't use all of those. I only use one of those, but I'm going to have some for the future as well. So who knows what I'll do with those in the future. Stay tuned. So here I'm just using stuff I got from Target, the little Target dollar spot, the table and the little like bird cloche or bird house even. It could be either. I'm making it into a little cloche on a stand. So I didn't have any like clear glue, which is strange because I know I have a big jug of it somewhere. I'm just not exactly sure where I stuck it right now. And I'm actually kind of sort of remembering right now, and I'm going to go downstairs and look when I'm done to see if I'm right. But when I was making this, I couldn't remember where it was. So I just used the Dollar Tree glue and a little bit of water mixed together to kind of make like a paper mache there. And then I used this wreath from that Factory Direct place. It's just a place I saw on Facebook. Which, you guys, Facebook does not like me. I swear. I get hacked over there all the time. My Facebook isn't working anymore. I'm just going to have Instagram. I never have problems with Instagram, so I'm just going to be on Instagram, you guys. And I did start a Pinterest, which I'm not 100% on that right now. Maybe in the future when I have more time. But right now, I think I'll just have YouTube and Instagram if you guys want to get in touch or join these collabs with us. Follow me on Instagram, and I post about it quite often, these collabs. There's actually another one coming out too with different ladies, so stay tuned. Here I'm taking the Dollar Tree eggs. I'm ripping up some craft paper. This is actually the old craft paper from the Dollar Tree. I still have a roll of it left. It's like that more tan color. Now they have this new crafter square out that's kind of thin and lighter color. I don't know. But this is the paper pad that I'm going to use next for my rabbit. I'm in love with this paper pad, you guys. I just absolutely love it. I've used it a lot before I even started YouTube. So we'll just take the glue stick here, which is my favorite way to glue paper down. Simple, easy. Oops, if I could get it on there right. And then I just trim it down here, try to get it to where it's easier to cut. And I just use an X-Acto knife, you guys, and I picked up the X-Acto knife from, my husband got it for me from Menards, and then I got that little cutting mat from the Dollar Tree. Here I'm using my Tim Holtz, or is it Tim Holtz or Ranger? I can't remember what those are. What is that? Vintage Photo. Distress inks. That's what those are. All around that. And I did the paper on both sides of it. And just in case, somebody would want to buy this or something, or if I give it away, you never know if they want to have it on both sides. So you guys, this one is one of my favorites. This is number 4. I'm also doing another Easter. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby. The eggs I got from Target Dollar Spot. This I got from Walmart. And this I got from the Crate store. Now the Walmart jar, I used to house my laundry detergent stuff that I make. I have video on that on my YouTube if you want to know. But I accidentally broke the lid to it, putting it back on, which really just, it made me cry a little bit. Let's just say that, because then it ruined all my soap because there's like shards of glass in there, so, but we're going to repurpose it, and that's exactly what I do. This black bowl I got from a place in my area here in South Dakota called the Crate store. It is new to our area. It's basically one day something's, like $9, the next day it's $6, the next day it's $3. And I'm assuming it's stuff they get from Amazon. They probably buy big giant crates and then sell them to us. I'm assuming. I've only been there once, and I did find that there. So the eggs, I just do a little splash on them with the opposite color of black and white. I use folk art chalk paints. I fill up the grass. That grass I got from Hobby Lobby, you guys. And we'll just arrange the eggs around in here. This, I had so many ideas to do for this, you guys. So I'm pretty sure you'll see me filling this up different ways on my channel. Now, I took one of those chalk chips that I was talking about in the previous DIY because I didn't really like that circle that was there. That was like really bothering me. And then the inside, I didn't like how you could see the glue, so I used another chalk chip to hide that. And then I took these really, really cute bunnies from the Dollar Tree and I just wrapped them around. And this just totally gave me farmhouse vibes, you guys. And I love the farmhouse style. So if you're new to my channel, that is my favorite style, is like the farmhouse. I also like the vintage farmhouse kind of look as well. But that's it. I'll show you more at the final reveal of all of these, you guys. So this is my last one today. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you guys don't forget to go watch the playlist and give others support as well. So I took some more of those dollar store eggs. I just painted them white and black, and then I'm doing a little opposite, like dry brushing on each of them. For this part here, pretty easy. Those little eggs from the Dollar Tree, they are styrofoam, so you will see all that stuff, so I did have to give them a lot of coats. So I took this dough bowl that I got from Etsy. I like to use them to make candles with. I do make my own candles, so I like to use those. I'm also taking this. This is another Chocateur bunny. It was actually that 2-pack with that other bunny. I have no idea if they still have those. Like I said, I haven't been on the Chocateur website since, I think, November. It's been a minute. And I'm no longer a designer or anything like that with them, but I do still order from them because I love art supplies. Doesn't matter who it's from, where it's from, I'm still going to order it. So here I'm using some hot glue. This wiring thing I got, chicken wire fence, or I'm not sure what they call it, but I got it from Hobby Lobby, you guys, like 5 years ago, and this was just a piece left. I just formed it around. My hands are all kinds of cut up from this thing. Yeah, so be careful if you do this. Then I decided to put some of that Spanish moss down there. It's actually the last of my Spanish moss, so I'm definitely going to have to get some more of that. And I'm going to use a tad bit of the green moss in the bottom. And you guys, I had a little bit of glue right there that you could see, so I decided to just glue a little bit more and use some moss to kind of hide that glue on there. And I decided to just go ahead and use this dough bowl because this dough bowl that came, because I bought a 10-pack, it came with a hole in the side of it, so I thought this would be perfect for this instead of a candle. And then we'll just hot glue that bunny down to the bottom and put some eggs in there as well. And I will scrunch in the top and kind of fold it into itself. It's not perfect. It's not pretty. It's been smashed in a tote for probably 4 years now. So it's not like the greatest, but it works. It looks really cute and really pretty. And I hope you guys enjoyed all my DIYs today. And if you're new here, I appreciate you for subscribing and liking, and I can't wait to get to know everybody. But look how cute this is, you guys. This is just giving me like farmhouse vintage vibes. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to check out the host, Tami, and the other host, Shawnie. They are really great crafters. I absolutely love their channels. I've been watching them probably for the last 4 years, 3 years now. Some crafters I've been watching for 5 years. A lot of you guys have inspired a lot of us to just do our YouTube ourselves. I'm doing this for fun, you guys, when I have time, and hopefully I get more time in the future and I can, do this all the time. But until then, I'm just going to craft when I can and hope y'all enjoy. So here is the final reveal, you guys. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Okay, guys, here it is. It's all done, all set up, and all finished. The lights are in and ready to go, and this just turned out beautiful. I love it all. I can go ahead and change these out as well for each month or each season, however I wish. A few of them. I'd like to say thank you for helping my channel grow. And don't forget to watch the playlist, you guys. There's going to be some awesome crafters in this playlist. And then you'll have to check out and see what they did. Look how beautiful this is. I'm loving the vintage vibes from these bunnies. They are so cute. I really love this paper. You guys will have to go get you this paper if you love it too from Hobby Lobby. And here it is with all the lights turned off. Just so beautiful and glowing. I just love it. You guys will have to leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think and which one was your favorite today. Here's a few pictures. Thanks. Bye. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you'd like to connect.